Finding time for a delicious breakfast can seem impossible on busy mornings. I am Hannah, your guide from blogging good food, and I have been there. Today, join me in conquering that daily struggle with a breakfast hack. 3 ingredient banana pancakes. Let's make mornings great again. All we need are 2 ripe bananas. Look for the ones with brown spots, 2 eggs, and a tiny bit, just half a teaspoon of baking powder. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. Peel the bananas, mash them in a bowl. Crack in 2 eggs just like you are breaking eggs for scrambled eggs, and add a little bit of baking powder. This makes the pancakes fluffy. Step 2. Mix it up. Now use a fork or a spoon to mix everything together. Don't worry if you see some bananas lumps. It's totally fine. Mix until it looks like this, nice and smooth. Step 3. Cook the pancakes. Heat a pan, no need for oil. Spoon in a small bit of mixture for each pancake. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side until they are golden brown. Pro tip: flipping can be a bit tricky, so be gentle. If they feel too soft, add a little more baking powder to the mix. Problem solved. Step 4. Toppings. Now toppings where the real fun begins. Maple syrup, powdered sugar. It's like the pancake red carpet, or go wild with berries, nuts, and yogurt. Your banana pancake journey begins. If you love this simplicity, there's more waiting for you on blogginggoodfood.com. Hit subscribe, join our cooking community, and let's explore tasty adventures together.